Hey everybody, I am going to take you through the course organization for the classes that are in this split hybrid COVID world, since things are a little different this time. So you'll notice on the screen that this is the Blackboard for 201-02. If you are in 201-03, which is the Monday, Wednesday, that's fine. The information is largely the same. So first of all, when you launch Blackboard, you will see this permanent announcement. You can scroll for the most recent announcements, but you will see that the syllabus has hot pink for the face-to-face meetings. And remember, Class A is the first half of the alphabet and is either on Monday and Tuesday, or Class B, which is the second half of the alphabet, is on Wednesday and Thursday. So you'll see here this is organized into weeks, and the assignments written in black are completed outside of class by everyone. The assignments in pink tell you who is meeting when, and then the assignments in red are also completed out of class, but they are for bonus. They are not required. So if you look over here, you will see the class lessons. If you click on Unit 1, you'll see the exploration unit that we've already done, lesson that we've already done. Some of you are going to do Southern Colonies tomorrow. Some are going to do it next week. So these are where the PowerPoints for your reference, for study and for review topic for the out-of-class assignments, this is where you'll find those under the class lessons. This is one thing that's different that I don't normally do in my lecture classes, but to try to make things make sense for everyone, I have done a week assignment folder. So if you click on week 2, which is the week we're in, you know that there are 2 out-of-class assignments that I gave you during class. The first is the Twitterverse, where you're tweeting, and the second is Consider This. This is for both Class A and Class B. Everybody's doing these 2 things. However, if Lesson 1A, if you were in Class A, students A through J, you completed this assignment. Okay, so this is people from yesterday that we had our meeting, the exploration lesson. This is where you'll put it. So in other words, you will complete everything in the week folders, except you will only do 1 class participation. So you just have to look and, okay, well, was I there for exploration on this date, or was I there for Southern Colonies on that date? And so doing that will help make sure that you have gotten your in-class participation and help keep us a little organized. I know that it can be confusing because it's Class A, Class B, and there's different lessons for different groups, but hopefully with a little bit of settling and now with these week folders, that we will be able to stay right on track. Now I know things may be constantly changing or confusing, so as always, please feel free to email me anytime. Just go to the instructor info tab and click on this link and shoot me an email. I'm happy to answer any questions if you're not sure, what assignments you need to do or what lesson, that kind of thing. So hope that helped with some questions. See you soon.